The Crypto Ofubu YouTube channel. Today we just want to do another quick look at the market, what Bitcoin is doing today. Earlier today we noticed some yesterday precisely we noticed some drop in the price of Bitcoin, falling from around the prices of $66,000 down to where it is currently now. And just to keep it simple, I think what we are going to see in the next coming days or so, in the short term, which will see Bitcoin doing something like this, forming this tiny brief channel, to consolidate, at least to give it a structure. We need a proper structure, and a base for Bitcoin before it will accelerate to the upside and then get the confirmation like this and then move. This is just a possible, this is just a probable scenario that Bitcoin will likely paint for us in the coming days. But let's see what will happen. But meanwhile, for the meantime, I think the price of Bitcoin is having a very serious support around $60,000, and we expect that $60,000 at the worst case should hold Bitcoin before it bounces back up. And also remember that we are almost we are approaching the end of the month, where we are likely to see some volatility before we move into the month of November, where we are expecting some really good fireworks to come in for Bitcoin. So that's just a simple analysis of Bitcoin for now. There's not too much to talk about. And let's move from here now to some altcoins in the gaming industry, which I want to share with us. I have two altcoins I want to share with us. One cryptos that I see giving massive profits in the long run before the bull cycle. Right now the price is just around $1.20. Before the end of the bull cycle, I'm personally, my own opinion, I'm expecting that Chain Guardians to run up to at least a minimum of $10. And let's look at the statistics. Let's look at the data surrounding this. Okay, the market cap. The market cap is just around $42 million for the market cap, fully diluted. And then we see the maximum supply 120 million, quite a low supply for this. And let us see the previous all-time high. The previous all-time high for Chain Guardian was $4.23, which is around the minus 71% from the previous all-time high. So I think this is quite a good buy. This is quite a good buy, because if it goes back to the all-time high, that will already be about 4x, for whatever you will be investing. And which of let's see the exchange that they are currently listed. How many exchange are they currently listed? Oh, they are on KuCoin. Quite a number of exchange. Okay, quite a number of exchange. So it's quite easy to get this one. Let's look at the website. Okay, this is the website of Chain Guardian. Quickly, let's look at their mission. Our vision is to enable mass adoption to blockchain gaming through creating imaginative, innovative, and immersive cross-chain gaming experiences. We aim to achieve this through combining play-to-earn blockchain gaming concept and free-to-play dynamics, which are centered upon a balanced in-game ecosystem. Yes, the gaming sector in cryptocurrency is one new emerging sector in cryptocurrency, and when the gaming industry will see a bull run, most of these gaming cryptocurrencies that have real fundamentals behind them, we are going to see them giving very serious profits. Now let's look at the team behind this project. Quite a big team behind this project. co-founder, NFT professor Robin. You know, quite a big team, quite a big team. Some of the names are quite familiar. And then let's scroll down. The early adopters of this project, AU12, AU21 Capital. You know, we are seeing some big names here. Moon Rock Capital. We are seeing Morning Star Ventures here. These are quite some big names, you know, in the VC, you know, industry. And then we are seeing tech integration and business development. Elron, wow, decentral line, Chainlink, Exceed Me, OpenSea, Covalent, you know, Net VRK, Polygon. This project is looking quite very serious with all of these, you know, partners, and then the early investors in this project, the venture capitalists, you know, that have invested in this project. I think it is not one that has the chances of failing. So I think it's one that we have to keep an eye on. Not a financial advice though, but we have seen these things happen over and over again. And then the second crypto gaming that we want to look at is Altora at the price of 7 cents currently, having a market cap of $45 million. This is quite very low. So if this move to $100 million market cap, that would be a 4x. So what about if you go to 200? So I think quite a long way to go, you know, for these. And then the total and maximum total supply is around $1 billion. Let's look at the website quickly, where blockchain meets gaming. Yeah, you know, gaming is becoming a very big thing in blockchain. Gaming is becoming a big thing, you know. We can see how the gaming cryptos have exploded quite recently, and I think that is just the beginning, because the adoption is you know, creeping in gradually. Let's look at the partners behind the partner, Chainlink, CDFI. This is quite big, you know. Seeing the partners behind this project, it's quite big, you know. These are no names in the industry. You know, we have Oxbow, Wizard, Deep Space, you know, Rune, and then Shane Cade. You know, these are quite big names in the industry. Then look at the team. They have a quite impressive team also behind this project. So these are the two projects that I want to, you know, share with us today, which I think they have you know, the capacity to give, you know, very big profits in the gaming bull cycle. And all of the two coins that we have shared on the gaming industry, we have seen the people that are behind this project, and those are people that we cannot undermine. The VCs behind the project are people that we, you know, are companies, you know, and organizations that cannot be undermined. Most of their projects, you know, previously have been quite very successful, and these projects are quite very early. Anybody investing in this project are coming in very early, you know. So the potentials of having a, you know, a juicy profit, big fat juicy profit in these, you know, two cryptos are quite very much. So we can keep an eye on them, and then look at what they are going to do when we enter into the gaming bull run. So I think that will be all for now. Tomorrow we are going to be looking at some other, you know, cryptos that are going to be doing very well also in this bull cycle. Let's check if we have a bit of news. Here we have the billionaire VC Peter Thiel discussing Satoshi's identity, says Bitcoin is the most honest market we have. Well, coming from a man like Peter Thiel, I think this is a food for thought. Well, I want to end our this section here today with these words from Peter Thiel, and then we also keep an eye on the entire crypto market. For those of us that have open positions on altcoins, I think we are not making any mistake, because the altcoin run up is also coming. Thank you